Okay, I want to show you how to make audio files in bulk. So you've got some sentences here. I just have 14 sentences written in English, okay, in a text file. I go to Google, type Google Colab, and take that, create a new notebook, and just go to where it says start coding, and then I'll put the text in the code in the description. You just paste it in and hit this little arrow here. Okay, it's loading everything in right now, and you can see I'm going to have a source language of English, and I'm going to put it into French, and it's going to repeat the French twice. So go down and then just choose the text file, so original sentences. It's loading them in, 2, 3. It's going to be 14 sentences. Loading them in. It's saving the output. It just made an MP3 file. It's right here in your downloads.
She walks to school every day.
Elle se rend à l'école tous les jours. Elle se rend à l'école tous les jours.
They love pizza.
Ils aiment la pizza. Ils aiment la pizza.
He speaks 3 languages.
Il parle 3 langues. Il parle 3 langues.
The sun rises in the east.
Le soleil se lève à l'est. Le soleil se lève à l'est.
Okay, so it'll have all 14 there. You can tell it here, if you want to put your source sentences in a different language, put it here. If you want the target language to be different, put it here. And if instead of 2 repeats, you want a different number, put it here. So we could have Swahili, and we could have it repeat 3 times. And then we just hit go again. Most stuff's already loaded in, so we don't have to wait this time. Give it the same sentences. And it'd be easy to adapt this if you wanted, instead of all these stitched together, you could make 14 different audio files. You could, of course, change the order if you wanted the target language first.
She walks to school every day.
Yeye hutembea kwenda shule kila siku. Yeye hutembea kwenda shule kila siku. Yeye hutembea kwenda shule kila siku.
Okay, so that's Swahili 3 times.